Come on, Mom, let's take a selfie. Mom, choose your photos. Can you just smile, please? Oh, you're not smiling. Are you having a problem with your teeth?
Yes, I am. I just want to hide away my smile. When smiling, I lack in confidence.
Oh, don't you worry. We are here. All dental problems can be perfectly fixed. Here it is. Bangkok Hospital Dental Center Holistic Care and Dental Implant. Whenever I'm here for dental care, I am impressed every time. Here, it is well furnished and the design is modern and spacious. Once entering, it is airy and highly comfortable. The most important thing, the dentists here are well trained and specialized in different fields. We can rest assured that dental services and oral care are delivered with dental expertise covering all dental specialties. Moreover, besides dental issues, if the patients have other health conditions or underlying diseases, medical care can be additionally provided by the specialists from Bangkok Hospital using the concept of multidisciplinary approach. What I also like is the cutting-edge medical devices and technologies used in dental care. Digital lab, studio, X-ray room, negative pressure room designed especially for patients with respiratory diseases. In addition, internal ventilation system with standard circulation rate of 24 ACH and exhaust system have been installed in every examination room, ensuring good air quality at all times. Let's get a comprehensive dental care at Bangkok Hospital Dental Center Holistic Care and Dental Implant. One-stop service for all dental solutions.
Oh, if I'm this pretty, can you please take more photos of me?
Sure, for 100 shots. Say cheese! Grow confidence, restore oral health, let your smile shine even brighter. All of our services are devoted to your perfect smile. Bangkok Hospital Dental Center Holistic Care and Dental Implant. Complete dental care in every dimension. Build up your sustainable oral health over a long time.